This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the apps and confirming compatibility. Make sure Android is updated. Open the first app you want to use, then access Recent Apps, tap the Recent key, or swipe up and hold. Once done, locate the app card you opened. Press its icon or the three dots to reveal options. Choose Split Screen now so that the top half reserves that app. You're starting the split instantly. This locks the first app into position while you pick the second app. Next, choose the second app to fill the remaining space. You can select it from Recent Apps, Home, or the App Drawer. Once selected, Android places apps in a two-pane layout. Drag the divider to resize, move it until you have the desired 50/50 split or a custom ratio. If you prefer landscape, make sure auto rotation is enabled in quick settings so the split adapts. This step balances visibility and function, letting you use both apps effectively at once. To finish, close one pane by dragging the divider fully to the edge, or return to Recent and close an app. That restores single app view. If an app refuses split screen, it's likely unsupported. Try pop-up view or update the app because some block multi-window for stability. If you notice lag during split, make sure to close heavy background apps or restart the device. This frees memory and often fixes stuttering. One quick troubleshooting tip: reboot once if split won't engage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.